Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 16 Plus. To change the lock screen wallpaper, first let's swipe from the left part of my screen to reveal the lock screen wallpaper. Then press and hold, and here you can switch between different wallpapers that you have set. Or you can go here to add new wallpaper. Let's go here. And now let's choose a wallpaper. You can choose a wallpaper from here or add a custom wallpaper from Photos, Photo Shuffle, Live Photo, Emojis, or other wallpapers. So I'm gonna choose an emoji wallpaper, so let's go to emoji, and here you can type in up to 6 emojis that are gonna be used in the wallpaper. So let's type in a few. And now you can see it's created. I can also change the color here. I'm gonna choose this suggested color. And you can choose the style of the wallpaper. I'm gonna choose this one. Then here you can adjust other things about your lock screen, like the style of the clock and the color of it. You can adjust this top widget. I'm gonna set it to, for example, weather, or maybe let's add journal, so whenever I click on that top widget, then it will open journal. And here you can add more widgets like that. And here you can choose these shortcuts. You can change them, but I'm gonna keep them, and tap on add. Now you can choose whether to set it as a wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. I'm gonna tap on customize home screen, and I'm gonna just do a pair but without the blur. So it's gonna look like this, then tap on done. And here you can see that since I've added the new wallpaper, I can still switch between these wallpapers. And I can choose this one. And now I have this wallpaper, or I can simply switch to the other one. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.